Hearing you may need throat cancer surgery is a lot to take in. The oropharynx is the middle part of the throat. It includes the tonsils, base of the tongue, soft palate, and back throat wall. Surgery aims to remove the tumor with a clear margin, check nearby neck lymph nodes, and protect swallowing and speech. Doctors often consider surgery first when the tumor is small to moderate, reachable, and early stage, or when radiation isn't the preferred choice. Transoral robotic surgery uses thin robotic instruments passed through the mouth. There are no external cuts, and the surgeon works from a console. Laser microsurgery uses a fine CO2 laser guided by a microscope, another mouth-based option for selected tonsil and tongue-based tumors. For larger or complex tumors, open surgery reaches the throat through a neck incision, sometimes with reconstruction using tissue from elsewhere. Since throat cancer often spreads first to neck lymph nodes, surgery usually includes a neck dissection to remove and test them. Before surgery, teams complete scans, biopsy, HPV testing, dental review, and baseline speech and swallowing assessments. Hospital stays range from a few days after transoral surgery to about 2 weeks after major open surgery with reconstruction. Recovery moves in stages, wound healing in the first 2 weeks, swallowing returning by 6 weeks, and further gains beyond 3 months. A speech-language therapist guides swallowing and speech exercises. Dietitians support nutrition, and jaw stretches help prevent stiffness. Risks include bleeding, infection, swallowing difficulty, nerve changes, and when reconstruction is used, rare flap problems. The pathology report guides what comes next. Surgery alone may be enough, or radiation or chemoradiation may be added. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.